In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay store in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered how to get started with your very own eBay business, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll have your store up and running, ready to attract customers and showcase your products. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to the official eBay website. This is the central hub where you'll set up your online store, so make sure you're on the correct page, marked clearly with eBay's branding. Once you're there, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to register for an eBay seller account. Simply click the Sign Up button and provide all the required information. This typically includes your name, email address, and a few security details to keep your account safe. After filling in the details, click Create. Congratulations, you're now part of the eBay selling community. Once your seller account is set up, it's time to choose your subscription level. eBay offers a variety of subscription levels: Starter, Basic, Premium, Anchor, and Enterprise. Each level comes with its own set of features and associated fees, designed to cater to different business needs. If you're just starting, you might want to consider the Starter or Basic options, which are more budget-friendly. However, if you anticipate significant sales and need advanced tools, the Premium or higher tiers might be more appropriate. Take a moment to assess your needs and select the plan that best aligns with your business goals. After selecting a subscription level comes an exciting part: choosing a name for your store. This is a crucial step because your store name reflects your brand and gives potential customers a first impression of what you offer. It should be unique, memorable, and indicative of the types of products you're going to sell. Take your time with this step. Getting it right is important for your brand identity. Now that you've got your store name sorted, the fun really begins. It's time to customize your store. Start with your store logo, which visually represents your brand's personality and values. You'll also want to set up distinct product categories to help keep your store organized. This makes it easier for customers to browse and find exactly what they're looking for. Additionally, ensuring that you add your product listings correctly is vital, so they look appealing and provide all the necessary information. Once everything is set up and customized to your liking, take a moment to admire your work. You've officially created an eBay store. With these tools in place, you're ready to start reaching out to customers and making sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!